getting ready for showtime, for showtime.
Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. And you just witnessed on that video, you just saw this fantastic 65 Corvette big block that we just finished. That was the maiden voyage of this car. Just absolutely gorgeous. 396, 425 horse, all original, numbers matching, blah, 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 blah. Great car, great, great car. Nassau blue, white top, white interior. That's awesome. Just beautiful, just beautiful. Look at this, look at this here, look. Oh, ka-chow! Look at that baby, huh? Oh, see the little ribbon sitting right there? That's a beautiful ribbon from National Corvette Restorer Society. The car scored really, really nice. It was 98.987%, so I'm calling it 99%. Anyway, 99% of a perfect car. How much better does it get? Knockoff wheels, factory knockoff wheels, Kelsey Hayes, date coated wheels. You know, the original electric antenna. Beautiful chrome bumpers. Look at that bumper right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Notice right there, NCRS. So it has been judged by the NCRS folks. Right there, pretty nice. 396 turbojet, 425 horse. Look in the engine compartment, just as pretty as a picture. Gorgeous. Even the windshield and the glass is all date coated to the car. Just great stuff, folks, just great stuff. They don't get any more beautiful than this. I mean, these cars are my favorite. I mean, the coupes are just phenomenal. Convertibles, of course, they speak for themselves. But if you got something like this laying around the house and your wife's getting all upset at you and you want to get that car done, you know where to bring it. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.